Hello, my name is Father Rayappa. I'm from India, but today I'm in People's Republic of Laos in Pakse. Pakse is the southern part of Laos, bordering Thailand and Cambodia. That's a beautiful, magical place. Look at the waterfall, how beautiful it is. Look at that. It cascades from above. Such a beautiful scenery. The magic of water. H2O. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. So Francis of Assisi calls it sister water. Wow, what a great place on earth. Look at that. That's a waterfall in Pakse. And also this proper place name is Pakse. So that is the place where I am. And I'm shooting for Laudato Si, Pope's encyclical on ecology and environment. I am filming a lot of clips around the world, reading paragraphs or article numbers from Laudato Si, and I enjoy talking about Laudato Si. Pope Francis does a good job, isn't it? So again, this is People's Republic of Laos, in Pakse, a place called Pakse, southern part of Laos. And this waterfall is so beautiful. I love it.